And we're back to marathon training. We're gonna train for Zepro and our run sa Alisan. May running pa.
Wow, paras na po guys.
Wow naman! Terno! Landi! Ay, yes naman! Dun, 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 dun. Nilalamig yan. Warm up dito. Because the light is good. Outfit check! Terno yan. Dali, 1, 2, 3.
Ano mag-warm up?
Ay, di. Papakik dun sa ano. 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Yeah! Paano mag-warm up? Warm up. Warm up! Dali na yung seryosong warm up. Alright, enough. Tama na itong kalokohan to. Let's go. Let's run. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Uwi ka dyan.
Pogi mo nga dito. Tonight's run, hindi kami tatapos sa truck. Kasi, sa track. Kasi tatapos kami sa school. Try namin mag-isang ikot lang. Tapos, punta po tayo dun sa university.
Basta tuloy-tuloy mo ngayon ha.
Every moment feels so right. Color shining in the light. Hukinukeru kaze ga so clear.
Hey! Lake na! Ang ganda ng lake.
No more doubt, I'm on my way. No need to rush, just take it slow. Positive na rhythm I can follow. Mae o muite happy.
Ang ganda ng Japanese restaurant.
Fly away.
Galing na! Galing! Bilis ah!
Magic in your way.
4. You can do it! Kilometers done.
Just take
You're
your time.
okay. But okay. Payat mo naman talaga.
Take who you can find.
Uy, nakatapos ng 5.
Let your heart become
You did well. May IDPS pa rin siya. Stretch time.
There's a light on the other side. Mae o muite happy.
7,
Let your
8,
worries fly
9,
away.
10,
Even if it's
10,
just one smile, you can light the day. Mae o muite happy.
Hindi na kaya. Easy run, finish!
With you by my side.
Tapos na tayo.
Every day's a
Tumakbo.
brand new day.
May gagawin muna ako. Lalambitin lang muna ako. So ano?